What up, you guys? I wanted to share with you what I received from our rainbow collaboration that was hosted Marianne's Craft Corner and Maria Reyes, and this was my swap from MakazHome. So I apologize for it being super late. I got this on time. I just have not had the chance to record and open this. And my house has been super loud and a lot's been going on, but look at this super cute box. I am assuming that the reason why there's two packages, maybe the stuff didn't fit in here. So I'm gonna I already sliced it open. I love this box, by the way. Love how she's reusing boxes. Look how cute. Okay, I'm gonna move this aside for 1 second. Look how cute. This is so cute. I did not think to use this. This is nice. Look at the little Mickey heads. How stinking cute, you guys. I got interrupted. So, oh look, I didn't even notice she put one up here. And then she added, oh, I have this trim. That's cute. So, and she put a little loop here so I can hang it. This is so cute. All right, let's see what else she said. Oh my gosh, girl. Okay, look at these stickers, these super cute rainbow stickers. Where you got these from? Recollections. Oh, okay. These are cute. And you get a lot in here. 27 of them. Thank you. And look at these. I love that it has the silver and holographic. These are adorable stickers. I love these. Oh, thank you for these. Wow, girlie, you sent a lot. Let's see. Okay, these are her adorable bowls. I love this paper she used. It's so cheerful, so colorful. And is that real? Can I eat these? Not that I will, but I'm just saying they look so good enough to eat. Look, there's a pineapple in there and little sprinkle bits. I think these are real. That is so creative. I did not think to ever do that. How sticky cute. So it looks like the little circle part is supposed to go here maybe, but I'll fix that. Oh, these are so cute. I love it. Yeah, you see, because she has it here. This die is super cute. I love these. I love how she did different ones. Look, she put like a die in the back. I love that. What's this? Oh my gosh, you don't even know what it is. It's like a surprise. I don't want to open it though. I'm going to do it this way. These are pom-poms. Look at these pom-poms. Oh, these are nice. These are different than any other pom-poms I have. Oh my gosh, look at these pom-poms. I want to see all the colors. It doesn't want to come out. Oh my gosh, how cute. Look at these fun colors, you guys. Hope you guys can see that. Wow, she stuffed these. These are so stinking cute. You know what these would be cute for? To make like little like pom-pom tassels. You know what I mean? And stick a needle through it because they're pretty like strong. I don't know. They're really good. I love these. These are so stinking cute. And I'm going to reuse the bag because I didn't rip it. A pom-pom went flying. There it goes. Love this little bag she stuck it in. Super cute. Oh my gosh. What is this? Oh, look at the cards she made. So pretty. Oh, she even inked to make clouds. Yes, it says hello sunshine. Love this die. Love it. Yes. Handmade and created with Aloha by Makalani. Aloha. I absolutely love this card. And I have been into making cards lately, you guys. And I like how she stuck this part in. It was like this. Was it like this? Yes, I think. Yeah. Perfect. Look at this one. Oh, she sent 3. Look how cute. So this one has a yellow base. Love it. And another pink one. I absolutely love. Oh, wait. And she popped this one up. That's cute. I really like the clouds. I really like this die. I love. Okay, love it all. What is this? Okay. Girl, where did you get this at? You know, my kids are going to devour this. Love this jar. I'm going to have to try to reuse it somehow. Cotton candy rainbow. Yes. Oh my gosh, my kids are going to like devour that for sure. What is this? What is this? Okay. Oh, cute. Okay. Look at this cute little package she put all together. Love the bag she stuck it in. Oh, I love that. So you put the little yarn in there And then you can color it. This will be cute to do with my kids for sure. Oh, I love that. Oh, look, she gave goodies. Oh, Mike and Ike's. You know who loves Mike and Ike's? My little brother. He loves these. What flavors? Oh, pineapple banana looks good. Watermelon looks good. Kiwi, banana. Oh, yum. Okay, these are going to go quick. Oh, Skittles. My kids love Skittles. Yes, girl. My kids are going to devour that for sure. Oh, she got socks. Look at these. I love her socks. Where you got your socks from? That looks like Target brand. I'm not sure. These are cute. I love those. I have a friend who loves rainbows, and I want to send her something. And look, she put it in this, like, tray thing. That is super creative. I like that idea. And, oh, my goodness. This has a whole bunch of trims. Let's see. And pom-poms. First of all, look at this trim. This is cute. This is really cute. Okay, definitely use that. And look at this. I love the colors. Look how cute that is. How many times I'm going to say cute, Crystal? Calm down. What's in here? Look at this bag. Wait, let's look at the bag. Look, it's a rainbow bag. It brings me back to the back in the day. Let's see. Oh, wow. What is this? Oh, my gosh. Is this a rainbow container? Stop. For like ice cream, but that's gonna be a lot of ice cream, but that's cute. I'll probably use it on my craft table. Oh my gosh, thank you. You sent me 2 of them. She sent some blue ribbon. Love that. I don't have that much blue in my stash, so thank you for that. Oh, what's this? All I need today is a little bit of coffee. This is washi tape. Girl, I love this washi tape. And look, oh, and Jesus. Yes, please. We love this. All I need today is a little bit of coffee and a whole lot of Jesus. Yes! How did you know, Maka? I love me some Jesus. Yes. And look at this. Oh, I love this color. It's like yellow stripe with white. Love it. Oh, look, the fish washi tape. Yes. This is so cute. I was seeing people haul these, and I have yet to been to Michael's in like, I'm going to say since like maybe March, maybe February, sometime around there. But this is super adorbs. Love it. So cute. Look, it's a little, is that to go on your pencil? All my pencils are gone. They're not here right now. But this might be able to like decorate on your pencil. How cute is that? And that, did you make this? Did you make this? Somebody made this. Look how glittery that is. Oh my gosh. Super, super cute. And what else do we have in here? Look at this yellow pom-pom. You know what I'm going to do with this? I'm going to stick this on my keychain because I have on my AirPods, whatever they're called, you guys. And I'm constantly losing them because they're in a black case and they come with a black pom-pom. And I'm always losing them. So this is perfect because it's yellow. Maybe I'll use it for something else, but it's so cute. I love that. Oh, look at these white bolitas. Yes. Oh, look, she sent cozy chamomile herb tea. Yes, this is caffeine free. Okay, gotta give that a try. I might make this, have some, and share with my birds because this will be good for my birds because it's caffeine free and it's all natural. So my birds can have some chamomile tea. And look at this. I'm gonna eat this right now. After this video, I'm gonna eat this because I love me some chocolate. And this is dark chocolate mint. Yes, Mia. My daughter is all up in my grill. Back up. Okay. Look. Yes, girl. I'm totally eating this. And by the way, this super cute little like container thing. And look, she gave me a die. I'm gonna put this part of my die collection because I don't have that much dies in my stash. So thank you for this beautiful bow. Totally using it. And I need to make one of these. I've seen a lot of girls make these. I'm gonna make it. Oh my gosh. Super fun. And there's like another container, you guys. Another box, I should say. This is so cute. Love how you package everything. Love all the extras. You sent way too much, girl. And this was just, oh my gosh, so much fun. So I'm just gonna move this stuff to the side and open up the next package. Oh, she's reusing her boxes. So unique. Aw. I should have opened this one first. It says, cheers, darling. Cheers. And it says, aloha, Crystal. Happy sunshine and rainbows. This was fun. This was such a fun collab to be a part of. Happy crafting, MakazHome. Love her penmanship. Like, how beautiful is that? Why are you not focusing? Focus? Yes. Thank you, Maka. I love everything you sent my way. You did not have to send another package. I feel so bad that you had to do that. How stinking cute. Look, she sent me one of these, another one of the yarn kit. And it comes with all of this stuff. How cute. I'm going to do this with my daughter. For sure. So now I have 2 little kits. I could do it both my girls. And look at this. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Did you? So you bought this and then did you add this? I wonder if you add this. I mean, or maybe you bought it. I don't know. This is beautiful. And this has glitter on it. Look at that shimmer. Oh my gosh, Maka. You sent way too much, girly. But I really, really appreciate it. Thank you for being my swap partner. Thank you for being patient with me. Everything you sent was absolutely beautiful. Love, love your creations. Thank you guys for taking time to watch my video. Really, really appreciate you guys. And thank you. Thank you guys. Just thank you. Just thank you. All right. All right, guys. I hope you guys have a great day. And I'll check you guys on my next one. Bye.